Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope that you are all having a great time in gardening. Today in this video, I am going to show you a cheap, durable and easy to maintain raised bed alternative to do a container gardening. I got this in Costco for $7.99 on sale, where I paid 11 or more dollars in other stores earlier. These are big with 27 gallon in size, polypropylene or PP value 5, which is safe to grow food. All we need to do is drill some wide multiple drainage holes, fill the container with good nutritious potting mix, find a perfect spot to place them. It's a good idea to find a place before adding the potting mix because it might get heavy to move after that. I'm going to wait on these containers to grow fall crops like spinach, etc., which are prone to be eaten by slugs, roly-polies, and other insects. Information is given on the lid as well as in the container. The information like PP value, infant safety information, size, etc. I have 2 containers in my garden, as I told you before, that are having plants right now, and bought 2 more for cheaper price to add to those. One of these container is equal to a few medium-sized containers, so these are good to have in the garden. We can even use this for perennial vegetables, for some container variety fruit trees because of the quantity of the soil these containers can hold. This container is bought 4 years ago and have been using it to grow food. It is still running strong. You can see how much food we can grow in this 27 gallon cheap containers. It's gonna be definitely expensive if we build fancy raised beds. Shop around to find cheap growable containers because, as I mentioned many times before, gardening can be fun but need not be expensive unless you want to make it fancy. Tindora is growing strong after replanting into this big container. It is started producing fruits already. You can see it here. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please subscribe the channel to support, like and comment the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.